How to verify LinkedIn account. For that, first of all, make sure that you have opened any browser you have on your device. Then on the searching bar, you have to search for LinkedIn. Then go to the official website of LinkedIn and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you are on your LinkedIn homepage, you will see your profile icon and your name on the left side of your screen. Simply tap on it. From there, if you haven't verified yet, there you'll see verify now option. Simply tap on that. Now read the instruction. You have to simply download your LinkedIn app on your mobile phone and then use your camera and scan this QR code. Then you have to follow the steps from your phone. In this way, you can easily verify your LinkedIn account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.